Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back with another action figure unboxing video. Today I've got 3 packages and I'm super excited to get into them because I haven't been doing any unboxing videos for several weeks now. I had to go stay at a friend's place while my stairs were being replaced and I didn't have access to my apartment, so I was on a little break. But I'm really excited to get back into it. Yeah. I've got lots of packages still coming on the way, well, 5 on the way. And I haven't been ordering any more actually because I might be having to move again. But yeah, I've still got quite a few stockpiled to go through, so we'll try and get through as many of these packages as I can before I may or may not be moving. And so this one is just like a little envelope kind of package. Oh! I see what it is. They packed it up really weird. It's in just like wrapped in cardboard. Just don't want to damage it. Oh, there he goes. Okay. And here I have my prize. The Marvel Legends Thor 1 movie, Thor. And oh, he's in rough shape. The sculpt looks okay, but oh man, the cape has got all kinds of stains on it. His nose is like missing, looks like he's been punched in the face a bunch of times. The wings on his helmet are all bent in. That can be fixed, but yeah, not like looking like he's in the best shape. However, the sculpt of the figure is the main reason I got it, and I finally have a Thor with Mjolnir because I've only had one with Stormbreaker so far, so that's really nice. I'm a huge fan of this outfit, the Thor 1 outfit with the full chainmail and helmet. Unfortunately, this helmet isn't very reflective, but I might customize it. And yeah, the face sculpt doesn't very much look like Chris Hemsworth at all. But yeah, I'm still happy to have this figure because I missed out on it way back when it came out. So I'm very happy to have a classic Thor 1 appearance Thor. And now on to package number 2. Oh! Just making sure that's everything. Wow. Okay, so this is Magneto. This is sick. This is from the Family Matters 3-pack with Scarlet Witch and Quicksilver. This thing, I've been super excited about getting. Wow. This is definitively the best version of Magneto. There's very few good versions of Magneto. I finally have Magneto. Oh my god. It's been like 20 years looking for this guy. He's just so rare. You can't get him. And I finally have out of the package Magneto, man. And that face sculpt looks so menacing. And he also happens to come with an alternate face sculpt in here. Oh, almost lost a hand. So he comes with a couple of fisted hands, and a couple of effect pieces. That's really cool. I've never had magnetism effect pieces like that. It's awesome. And then he comes with a more relaxed face sculpt. And looking online, he looked very childlike. I didn't really care for it, but now that I have it in hand, it doesn't look that bad. He still could be an old guy. There's no wrinkles in the face. I think that's what really makes the age not quite look right. But I don't know. They painted the white of the eyebrows. I think it looks good. But I actually prefer the teeth one. It looked a little too evil when I saw it online. But then again, in hand, it doesn't look that bad. It looks like he's just using his powers. So yeah, I'm really happy to have this Magneto. Oh, with the purple gloves too. The X-Men 97 version for some reason has red gloves, and it really irks me. It really grinds my gears for some reason. That he's got like, cause he has the purple here, and then it just goes to red. Like, anyway, so now I have Magneto, some accessories. It's really good. Okay, and 2 for 2 so far. Really good scores. Let's see what's in this last package. Oh, alright. The last one I'll need for the regular size heroes of the Quantum Suit Avengers. This is the 2-pack with Black Widow and Hawkeye. And yeah, so for this one, it'll actually be... Oh yeah, it'll be Black Widow, but then I'm going to make this one into Cap. So that'll complete my Quantum Suit shelf. With at least the characters that they've released. Because there's no Rocket Raccoon, there's no Hulk, and there's no Thor from that in the Quantum Suit. So I'm either going to have to do customizations or just stand-ins for now. But wow, this was a great unboxing video. Let's get them all up. The Thor, like I said, it's not in the best shape, but it's a really good figure. I'm very happy to have it. So yeah, this was a very successful unboxing video. If you like this video, this content, hit the like button. If you want to see the next video I release, hit the subscribe button so you stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends coming from me. And remember, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.